Hello, my name is Yulia Shabartina. I'm one of the members of Group 34, and I would like to walk you through a step-by-step tool for processing single-cell mass spectrometry data, called MeDUSA. This is the first page users see once they load the MeDUSA application. At the top, there are three main pages. The pipeline, this is the place where all of the work is going to be done. The How It Works page, it contains the information about all of the steps of the pipeline. And the About page. This page contains the general information about MeDUSA. This is the first step of the pipeline where users upload and do the quality check of their data. Here they upload their dataset and the metadata file. On the right, they can immediately see the data preview. Further, they can select the grouping column and the polarity of their data, as well as CPU cores, and run the quality check. As a result, they're going to get matrix table, quality plots, and a confirmation that data has passed the quality check. Coming to the next step of the pipeline, subtraction. Here data is automatically loaded from the previous step. Here users can select the samples which they want to keep and subtract. Again, select the relevant parameters and run the subtraction, getting their result. The next steps follow the same logic. Again, the data is automatically loaded, the parameters are set, and the results are here. Users can also download the results in the relevant formats. From here, users can explore three analysis paths: visualization, statistics, or classification. Also, they have a possibility to overwrite the data, otherwise the data is loaded from the previous steps. Starting with the visualization page, users can again set the relevant parameters and run the PCA, getting their plot. Same goes for the heat map. As a result, they get a heat map. Next goes statistics page. Here users can get the Welsh t-test, fold change, volcano plot, and ANOVA. Finally, users reach the identification page, where they can match the processed in the previous steps data against one of the three databases and get their final result, namely candidate biological molecules.